Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Subhasri Ma'am. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will do the same chapter 6 perimeter and area from Ganita Prakash book of class 7. This video is part 3. The link of part 1 and 2 I will give you in description of this video, so you watch it for better understanding. In this video we will do question number 5 and 6. Okay, these are very important, so watch carefully and understand properly. So let us start. First question number 5. In this question, it is given a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Okay, there is a piece of string whose length is 36 centimeter. And they have given three shapes A, B and C. So, and we will find each side of those shapes. So, first question number A, they have given a square. Which we will bend this string and make in the shape of a square. So the perimeter is 36 centimeter. So perimeter of the square, first what we will write? Yes, we will write the formula of the perimeter of a square, 4 into side. All of you know this. So now easily we know we can write 4 into side equals to 36 centimeter. So from here easily you can find out side equals to 36 divided by 4, because we have shifted 4 from left side to right side, so sign will also change, so it will become divide. So 4 9s are 36, so each side of the square is 9 centimeter, right? Very easy na? Next, sum number B. In sum number B, they said they are a triangle with all sides of equal length. So, what type of triangle is this? A triangle I am taking A, B and C. So, these three sides are equal means equilateral triangle. Means AB equals to BC equals to CA. So, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, because 3 sides are equal. So, and perimeter we know 36 centimeters. So, simply you write 3 into side equals to 36 centimeter. Now, same way you find out the side. So, 36 divided by 3. So, 3 into 12 equals to 36. So, each side of this equilateral triangle is what? 12 centimeter. I hope all of you understood. Now go for question number C. Let's see what they have given. In question number C, they have given a hexagon. A six-sided closed figure is called hexagon, with sides of equal length. When the polygon means hexagon, the square, rectangle, all these are called polygon. And if they are all sides are equal, they are called regular hexagon, regular pentagon. This way, this is the shape of a hexagon whose all 6 sides are equal. So perimeter is what? 6 into side. So simply we can write 6 into side equals to 36 centimeter. So same way we can find each side of this regular hexagon. 36 divided by 6. So 6 6 are 36. So each side of this regular hexagon is 6 centimeter. Is it clear to you all? Okay, fine. Now go for the next sum number 6. In this question, it is saying a farmer has a rectangular field having length 230 meter and breadth 160 meter. He wants to put a fence. See how Yeah, this way he wants to put a fence, and he makes a 3 round of a rope. And this rope, he means move around the fence 3 times. So with 3 rounds of rope, and we will find what is the total length of the rope needed. For finding this, first we will find out the perimeter of the rectangular field. So for this, first you write the length of the field, means this rectangular field equals to 230 meter. Next you will write the breadth of this rectangular field, that is also given 160 meter. Now easily you find the perimeter of the field, that is the formula also you know, 2 into L plus B. Don't forget to write the correct formula first. Now you put the value length 230 plus breadth 116. Keep inside the bracket. Now you add this 230 plus 160. So you will get 2 into 390 meter. Now multiply these 2 with 390, so you will get 780 meter. So this is the perimeter of the field as well as the length of the rope when we complete first 1 round. The length of the rope is 780 meter, right? So you write this way, the length of the rope needed for 1 round equals to 780 meter, and the farmer needs to make a 3 round. 1 round the rope length is 780, so for 3 round it simple, you multiply 3 with this 780. So we will write, so the total length of the rope is needed for 3 round equals to 3 into 780 meter. So if you multiply these two, you will get 2340 meter. Clear? So answer statement he will write properly. That is, the total length of the rope needed is 2340 meter. I hope all of you understood. But still, if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. I will clear your doubt. Today is this much, and bye bye.